Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic average velocity and average speed. So here average velocity and average speed are directly related to the displacement and the path length or distance. So let us say this is point A and this is point B. So an object starts from point A and moves to, let us say, point C first and then comes to point B. So initial position is A. Initial position is A and final position is B. Let us say this AC distance AC is x1 and AB is x2 and BC is x3. So here average velocity is equals to total displacement by total time. Average velocity is the ratio of total displacement by total time. And if we talk about average speed, then average speed is the ratio of total distance upon total time. So average speed is equals to total distance by total time. So if we see the given example, in this example average velocity means velocity vector average, that will be equals to, here displacement is AB, displacement is the shortest possible path. So this is our displacement. So here displacement is AB, that is equals to x2. So average velocity will be x2 by t. And average speed, this is our average speed. This bar represents average and here this is speed. So it is average speed and this is average velocity. So average speed will be equals to total distance. Total distance here will be AC plus BC, total distance, total path length. So it will be x1 plus x3. So this is x1 plus x3. x1 plus x3 by t. So this is our average speed. Now we know that distance is generally greater than or equals to displacement. Distance is generally greater than or equals to displacement. So average speed will always be greater than or equals to average velocity. So average speed is greater than or equals to average velocity in general. So this is all about average velocity and average speed. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.